Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality proof video today for a set of 3 boards. This is the LG Y-Sustain EBR77185601 and the according to buffer boards EBR77186101, and the lower one would be EBR77186201. And those were ordered on eBay. I'm focusing on a few unique details on the board so that the customer can know this is their boards. Today's 21st of February 2019. This is the label on the top buffer, and this is the label on the bottom buffer. And all of those are currently installed in a plasma set that we use for testing, and it is currently fed signal from a simple Chinese media player which runs a video of right now Taylor Swift. Don't pay attention to the black bar here. It can be seen in our other videos from that same TV. It is simply because from so many testings run down on this TV, we have those problems with cut cables that go into the panel. And there is nothing that can be done about that, not easily anyhow, and we don't need it. What we need is to show that the boards are working, and apparently the sustain is working. Again, unless you suspect that this line is caused by a defect in the top buffer board, you have no reason to doubt that this is a reflection that the boards are working. We make this video because, as we have shown in a few other videos of ours and a few blog posts, when you buy boards on eBay, you barely ever know whether they work or not, and often enough, especially if you buy from chop shops, they don't. And it's nice to know that what you're buying is actually working and it is actually tested. Each one of those 3 boards here has been actually serviced. There are components replaced on each one of them. And we do take care and pride in making sure that what we supply is working fine. All that said, this is a tricky business supplying such boards. There's a reason why we supply all 3, but even that is not a guarantee that they won't fail on the other side. If this guy here is defective in a certain way, what it does is command that board to switch pretty much open and close switches here from -100 to +270 or so volts, and they're open and close at a different time. And if that timing is what this guy does. It's called plasma logic board. If that timing is messed up, 2 switches can be open at the same time, pretty much shorting whatever voltage, 0 to +270 or -160 to 0 or -160 to 270, which is pretty big bump. So sometimes those things do happen, and even replacing all those 3 is not a guarantee that the customer, when they install them, wouldn't see them pop. If they do, they should know that it would be from something other than the boards themselves, because again, the boards are working just fine, as you can see. That is pretty much all. We don't make such videos every time we sell something, but occasionally, for a certain reason, we decide to, and hopefully that will help the customer feel better, and everyone else feels better when they do business with us. Thank you for your time, and best of luck in your repairs.